Next topic is basic components present in electronics. The main components in electronics are passive components and active components. Passive components is also known as static components, and active components is also known as an dynamic components. In passive components, resistor, capacitor, inductors, these are the passive components. And active components, transistor, diodes, voltage sources, these all or comes under the active components. Next, passive components. And passive component can only receive the energy which it can dispatch or absorb. In passive components, only it receives the energy or it absorbs the energy. Example, resistor, capacitor, inductors. Active components. The active components supplies energy to an electric circuit as the ability to electrically control the flow of charge. Active components mainly supplies the energy to the electric circuit. Example, transistors and diodes. Coming to the passive components, example is first one, resistor. Resistor which resists the flow of electrons, or it resists the flow of charge through any material encounters an opposing force is called resistance of the material. The device of the components to do this is called resistor. It is measured in ohms. There are two types of resistors, fixed resistor and variable resistor. In fixed resistor, it has law of voltage. It ranges from ohms to the milliohms. In fixed resistors, the value must be in fixed color coding. Next, variable resistor. In variable resistor is also known as rheostat. In sometimes electronic circuits is called potentiometer. This is the symbols of the resistors. This is the variable resistor symbol. This is the fixed resistor. Next, color coding of the resistor. The color coding must be observed in color, digit, multiplies and tolerance. In color coding, the first color is BB, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. The simple code is BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. The first digit of the black color is 0, brown is 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8, white 9. And the multiplies, first black 10 power 0, brown 10 power 1, red 10 power 2, orange 10 power 3 up to white color 10 power 9. The tolerance values have these colors is no tolerance value. Gold, silver has the tolerance value. The gold tolerance value is plus or minus 5, silver is plus or minus 10, no color plus or minus 20. Examples, we have to solve the or find the resistor color coding of the 340 ohms. We have to take 3 is an orange color. So 3, 4 is in yellow. Next, ohms 0 is in 10 power 1 is brown. Next, 22 ohms. 22 ohms means 2 means red. 10 power 0 means black. 4.7 kilo ohms. 4 means yellow, 7 means violet, and 00 is 10 power 2. 10 power 2 is in red. Next, 900. 900 means white. 9 means white. 0 means first 10 power 0 and 10 power 1 black. 10 power 1 means brown. This is the color coding. Next, capacitor. It stores the electrical energy or electrons. It is measured in Faradays. It blocks the AC components and it stores the DC components. It has two types, fixed capacitance and variable capacitance. This is the symbol of the fixed capacitance and the variable capacitor. The definition of the capacitance: C equal to Q by V. Here capacitance is defined by charge by voltage, where Q is the charge of the capacitor and V is the applied voltage. Next, reaction of the capacitance is measured with Xc equal to 1 by omega C, where omega equal to 2 pi f and f equal to frequency. Next, current in the capacitor: Ic equal to dV by dt. Next, when inductor: when a current flows through a wire that has been coiled, it generates a magnetic field. The inductor mainly it generates the magnetic field. This magnetic field reacts so as to oppose any change in the current. This reaction of magnetic field is known as inductors. Generally, the inductor produce the inductance of the component is called as inductor. The one of the most important property of this inductor is which opposes the sudden changes in the current. It is also two types of inductors, fixed inductor and variable inductor. These are the symbols of the fixed and variable inductors. Inductive reactance can be measured with XL equal to omega C. Omega equal to 2 pi f. XL equal to 2 pi fl, where f is the frequency of the signal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.